Have you ever developed shin pain after your total knee replacement, 3 weeks post-op or 4 weeks? It's one of those things that is relatively common. What I believe happens, and I certainly don't have any clinical studies to reference, I'm just using personal experience, is as you're progressing, if you've been through the total knee recovery kind of protocol, you know the first couple days you're just out of it, you're getting your feet under you. Usually by week 2, 14 days, you're starting to walk more, you're off the walker, maybe you're using a cane, maybe you're off the cane. But it's usually around this time that as you're starting to do more aches and pains, new aches and pains are developing. So it's possible that if prior to surgery you had either a varus or a valgus, a bow leg or a knock knee, now that leg is perfectly straight. Now you're walking unassisted, you're loading the tibia, which is the shin bone, differently than you did before surgery. And now all of a sudden you're starting to develop a reaction in the bone that is uncomfortable, painful. But what happens is that bone will adapt to the new movement patterns. Usually 1 to 2 weeks, that new pain will subside. If it doesn't, absolutely talk to your surgeon, talk to your physical therapist, ask them what might be going on. But this is a pretty common condition, anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks post-op, usually because you're doing more.